Hello, neu fel rydyn ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, knock knock. Who's there? I don't know, because I'm in the back of the house and I'm not going to be able to hear you knock. That's why I bought a doorbell. Ding dong. Who's there? If it's not a parcel that I ordered, I don't care.
WELSH!
You know when you realise something and then that can lead you to notice a whole bunch of different things, and on a different occasion you can notice something that can help you realise something completely different. Well, those two sentences are nonsense, but I am going to talk about the Welsh words for notice and realise. The root of both these words come from sylw, which can mean remark, comment or observation, and also coverage and attention. Like an entrepreneurial single-parent migrant worker who speaks only in ancient riddles, this word is doing too many jobs and is confusing. The definition we're after is attention. Tali sylw is to pay attention. And from that we get Sylwi, which is notice, and Sylweddoli, which is realise. You know what I think makes a really good comedian? It's being able to make a bunch of people laugh. No, wait, I did have something clever in that to say. Some comedians can make you notice things.
Have you ever noticed that men's hair and women's hair, they tend to be so very different? You see, men have very short hair, and women, generally speaking, they've got much longer hair. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, I have noticed that. And great comedians can help you realise things.
Well, you see, men, they have short hair, and women, generally speaking, have much longer hair, and this is indicative of the many different and often vastly unjust social standards that we are held to on the basis of, well, of which bits we've got.
No, I don't want to think about that. Oh. Similar to what you just saw, but like actually funny. I feel like it's the same in learning. A teacher can help you sylwi the meanings and metaphors in a specific text that you're reading at the time, but hopefully if it's a good lesson, you've come away wedi sylweddoli how to think about things like that and find them in everything you read. More pressingly, when you get given a burger at a barbecue, you can sylwi if it's undercooked. And if it is, you'll sylweddoli that you shouldn't eat it. But if you don't notice, you won't realise. And then the next day, you will sylwi that your stomach is singing your least favourite song and you are about to enjoy some flachgach. Or when you sylwi that you've lowered the tone with poo again, and you're sorry, but you've sylweddoli that you've got to stop.
WELSH!
Diolch am gwylio. Come back on Tuesdays and Fridays for more of this sort of nonsense, and if you've got any questions about Welsh or Wales, feel free to ask. I mean, I might not be able to help, but I'll just go and poll random passers-by in the street, and who knows, I might even unearth something useful. Also, if you're stuck on some ancient riddles, the answer is man, because of course it was before Zimmer frames. I feel like you're going to have an amazing hour after this video finishes, so go and enjoy that.